Alright, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you guys how to remove the deck on a Cub Cadet LT42E, and we're going to get started right now. Welcome back to the channel. Here we go. We are removing the deck from a Cub Cadet XT1 Enduro Series. It's an LT42E, and the E stands for electric. So here's what you got to do. Let's get right to it. You need to, when it comes from the factory and it's all connected, you've got it like so, and you got a cotter pins, bow tie pins. They're on there like on here, run to the back like this. Pull these out. All right, set them up here so you won't lose them. That's one in the back. You got another one here, but don't remove that one. You only need to remove the back pin. Then you've got this pin in the front here. Mine was on the top hole with the pin also facing backwards like this. Let me get you so you can see here, with the pin facing backwards. Remove that. Don't just drop it like that. Put it up here with the other one. All right. Remove this arm. I didn't mention to make sure your lever is all the way down to 1. All right. Now, once you remove those pins, and then the other one, the same thing on the other side, pull out this arm, the back. Remember I told you to leave this pin in. Pull out the back. Here's what happens when you release this from position 1. Let's show you. Because it's spring loaded to help you lift the deck upwards. And let me just drop that back down here. Get this away from there. Alright, now let's raise it up and I'll show you. So we're raising the deck without raising. We're raising the arm, the lever, without raising the deck. All right, we're on the other side here. I'm hitched up here on the arm. The arm is lifting up this side. It's actually in place. You can remove the deck from the left side arm as well after you take the pin out. All right, remember, don't remove the front pins. So the deck is completely on the ground. The wheels on the ground. That far wheel on the ground. Lift up the lever. Let me show you what had happened, what just happened there. Raise up the lever. The arm lifts out of the way and leaves the deck on the ground. The deck is on the ground. All right? So now you're free. You're free to move the deck out of the way. Well, of course, you got the plugs for the motor. So you need to disconnect the plugs for the motor. And there you go. Like, share, and subscribe. Silver Repair out.